Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today you guys, I'm back with another video.
I'm out for my grandmother. I can't wait for our when that comes in, her on be like, what's this? I say my auntie.
Auntie who?
Monique did it.
Before this video starts, let's give this video a thumbs up. And be sure that y'all comment below. This cell phone case is clearly, obviously, as y'all can see, already glued and these pieces are stuck. This phone case has been sitting in my drawer for a few months now. I don't know how I forgot about these cases. I was obviously making these for a pop-up shop and I just, ran out of time when it came to designing and making cases. But they're here now and they're about to get finished. Hopefully, if God wills, inshallah, I will be able to get these up on the site by Friday so they could be a part of the sale. And be sure, if you're watching this video, head over to the shop on Friday. I'm having a crazy sale, okay? I'm trying to think if I should do a sale on a custom orders too. I'm gonna think about that one. But all pre-mades will be on sale on Friday. The material that I'll be using today is laid out in front of me. I have obviously my mask because this glue is, it's crazy, you guys, because this glue is not as strong as the Gorilla Glue. Like this glue right here, oh my gosh, it's so strong. You definitely need one of these. But I still use it because this glue is strong as well. I have my picking tool and then I have my rhinestone and pearl mixture in front of me. This mixture is actually like one of the previous mixtures that I used on a cell phone case. I'll leave a picture or something like over here, over there, so y'all can see. The only difference is I just went ahead and added some brown rhinestones into this mixture because I wanted it to be like a little bit more funky. And I'm also going to be adding a little bit more texture with these spikes or studs or whatever you want to call them. I really forgot the name of them. But I'll be adding those on too. So I'm excited about that to see how that's going to turn out. But we're going to go ahead and jump into this video. Now let's get the blinging. Okay, I think I want to go in between these little spaces and put a few 2mm rhinestones. So let's just go ahead and do it. This bed baby is complete. Let's go ahead and tear back the plastic and the paper. Go ahead and be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure that you subscribe and those post notifications are turned on. If you do watch this video, head over to my shop on Friday. I will have a sale. And also be sure to go and follow me on Instagram at Designsbymyc. And also my other Instagram, Collections by MYC, where you can see a better picture of this. But let's go outside and take some pictures. Until the next video. Bye-bye.